everyone, welcome back to the channel. So my name is Samira. So I made this dress, the Bubu kaftan dress. You can see the neckline, it has deep V neckline, and I make use of 2 yards of this fabric. It has design on it, very simple to cut and sew. So I want you to stick around to the end of this sewing tutorial so that you'll be able to know how to cut the style that I'm making today. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn notification bell to get notified to see my sewing tutorial that will be coming up on my channel. And guys, so you can also comment. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, guys. So let's get started now, guys. So this is all I have for today's sewing tutorial. The fabric um is 2 hours of it that I'll be using for today's tutorial, so keep on watching to the end. So I'll start by folding my fabric. I've done that already, so I folded it all together into four because I'm cutting everything together. Then I folded it by 15 inches that will go straight to the neckline to mark 3 inches for the neckline measurement. Then I'll go down by 7 inches for the depth of the neckline that I'm marking. It's going to have deep V shape, so I'm using my ruler to take it down the shape. So it's V shape. I'm going to connect it from the 3 inches to the point that I mark 7 inches. Okay, so I'm going to also mark the back neckline depth by 1 inch. Okay, then I'm going to give a curve, so it's going to have deep V neckline, okay, in the front. So guys, keep on watching this video. So from the shoulder to this line, that's where the armhole is going to be, and it's 9 inches that I'm marking for that. Okay, so I'll just go ahead now to slope my shoulder by just 1 inch here. So I'll be using my ruler to slope it down. Okay, so your own should look like this. So guys, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to also subscribe now to my YouTube channel. So from the shoulder to my style line, that's what I'm marking now. So I'm going to mark 30 inches for that. So from my shoulder to my style line is by 30 inches. Then I'm going to shape it a bit by 12 inches. So that's what I'm marking now. So I'm going to shape it there by 12 inches. Don't forget the style that we are making today is a Bubu kaftan dress that is going to have V shape. It's a Maxi dress. So I'm going to connect it from my armhole area to my style line. I'm going to take it down to my style line. Okay, so that's the connection. So I'm going to take it down to where I marked 30 inches. I hope you are following up, guys. At this point, I'll go ahead now to take the full length of my dress, and it's by 54 inches. So the full length is by 54 inches. So I'm marking it from the neckline, from my shoulder to the full length of my fabric. So it's because of my space, you can see the way I'm dragging the fabric. So but it's the full length that I'm marking now, and it's by 54 inches. So that's for the full length of the dress that I'm making today. So don't forget, it's a kaftan maxi dress that is going to have deep V neckline. Okay, so I'm going to continue to mark 12 inches. So I'm going to mark it to my hemline area of my fabric. So I'm going to take it down again to the hemline of my fabric. Okay, so I want you to keep on watching this video to the end of the sewing tutorial. And guys, don't forget to also turn notification bell to get notified to see my video upload that will be coming up on my YouTube channel. So thank you all for always stopping by to watch my sewing tutorials. So I'm through with the measurements, so I'm cutting my fabric now. Don't forget, I folded the fabric into four because I'm cutting the front and the back parts all together. Okay, and guys, you can share this tutorial, and don't forget, you can also comment, you can also ask your question, you can also request for a video of your choice. Okay, so I want to really thank each and every one of you for always watching my videos, and you can also ask your question, you can request for a video, you can comment, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So, and we are cutting the front part and the back part all together. So this is what we are working on today. Is a kaftan maxi dress with deep V neck line. That's what it's going to have as a neckline. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please you can subscribe now, and don't forget to also turn notification bell so that you can get to see my next video upload that will be coming up on my YouTube channel. Don't forget, my name is Samira. If you are seeing my tutorial for the first time, you are welcome to my channel. Please keep on watching this video to the end. I want you to inculcate this sewing method when making your own. It's very simple to understand, guys. So I'm still cutting. We also have other parts that we are going to also work on. So guys, I want you to continue to improve your sewing skills. Keep on practicing, and also share what you are learning with others. You can make these styles, you can try to practice them, you can make for your friends, you can make for your family members, okay? So that you can improve, you can get familiar with these styles that you are learning from here. Okay, so I want you to practice what you are learning. That's the essence of making this video. So after watching them, try to practice it. Okay, you can just cut these styles, you can cut and sew it for your friends. You can just cut and sew for your friends and for your family members. Okay, so that you get used to what you are learning. All right, so that's the front neckline that I'll be cutting now. Okay, so don't forget, it's going to have deep V neckline. So that's the deep V neckline that I'm cutting now. Okay, that's for the front neckline, and you saw how we took the measurement. Okay, so don't forget to watch this video to the end. To sew the front and the back fabric together, so I'll be marking 9 inches. So that's what I'm pointing at. I'm using my hand to demonstrate it first. So I'm going to place my tape there from my shoulder to my armhole area. So it's 9 inches that I'm going to mark there. So that's how I'm going to also stitch it. So from my armhole line, that's where I will start my sewing from. Okay, and I'm going to use 1/2 inch to sew it, so when sewing it together. Okay, so that's what I'm using my hand to demonstrate, and I believe you are following up, and I believe you are going to practice what you are watching, and you're going to put it into practice after watching this video. When making your own, you'll be able to cut and sew your own very well. So after sewing the front and the back piece together, the dress will be ready for you guys to see how beautiful it is. And I want you to give this video a thumbs up. Please watch it to the end. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also turn notification bell to get notified to see my video uploads on my YouTube channel. Please comment, and you can also give this video a thumbs up, guys. This is the end of our sewing tutorial, and I made use of 2 yards of this beautiful fabric to achieve today's sewing tutorial. And the style that we made today is called kaftan maxi love dress. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you again in my next one.